Hey gearheads, when you're installing a modern or swapped engine into a classic Ford truck, engine placement matters. The engine needs to sit in the right location for firewall clearance, oil pan clearance, driveline angle, header fitment, steering clearance, and overall drivability. That's where the CPP Rite adjustable motor mounts with Polyplus Pads comes in. These adjustable motor mounts are designed to give builders the flexibility they need when installing various engines. The CPP Rite adjustable motor mounts are used with the CPP's Mustang II IFS kits and are designed to work with CPP Mustang II engine perches. What makes these mounts so useful is the built-in adjustability. This kit gives you 2 inches of adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune engine position during installation. That extra adjustment can make a big difference when you are trying to line up the engine, transmission, firewall, radiator, steering, and exhaust system. Instead of being locked into one fixed position, these mounts help you place the engine where it fits best for your build. CPP designed these mounts to support multiple engine combinations when paired with the correct CPP engine perches. They can also support rear sump Chevy small block engines, LS engines, and Ford FE engines when used with the correct short engine perches. For front sump Ford FE engine applications, they are used with the tall engine perches. That makes this kit a great solution for builders working with different engine swap combinations in classic Ford truck projects. This kit also includes CPP Polyplus motor mount pads. Polyplus pads are designed to help control engine movement while still helping absorb vibration. Compared to worn-out rubber mounts, these pads provide a more stable feel and better support for performance builds, restomods, and upgraded street trucks. They are a great match for a build where strength, fitment, and long-term reliability all matter. During an engine swap or front suspension upgrade, every build can be a little different. Firewall clearance, oil pan design, transmission type, cross-member position, steering shaft routing, header clearance, and radiator placement can all affect where the engine needs to sit. The 2 inches of adjustment built into these CPP Rite mounts gives you room to make those final fitment decisions. That adjustability can help improve installation flexibility, reduce guesswork, and make it easier to get the engine positioned properly before final assembly. The kit includes the right and left Rite engine adapters, Polyplus motor mount pads, and the required mounting hardware. It is designed as a complete motor mount solution for compatible CPP Mustang II IFS engine perch applications. As with any engine mount or engine swap installation, CPP recommends checking all clearances before final tightening. Mock up the engine and transmission, confirm oil pan clearance, steering shaft clearance, header fitment, driveline angle, and radiator placement before final assembly. For best results, make sure you are using the correct CPP engine perches for your specific engine combination. The CPP Rite adjustable motor mounts with Polyplus pads are built to help you dial in engine placement the right way. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. And as always, if you are not sure which mounts, perches, or kit you need for your project, contact the CPP Tech team. They can help you choose the right parts for your build. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.